Looking for a home that fits your lifestyle? Baka nandito na ang perfect unit na para sa'yo. Welcome to Madonna Residences. Tara, silipin natin ang Melcon model nila. Here are the freebies included when you purchase this Melcon model. Living room sofa set, dining room set, 6-seater, pantry cabinet, blinds and curtain, pendant light, vertical garden, basic landscape, and study working tables all room at second floor. Now, let's take a look inside one of our units. Also included din sa freebies ang double door refrigerator, 2 split type aircon sa masters and dining, 2 window type aircon sa bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 sa second floor, 4 television, microwave oven, built-in oven, bed frame and headboard sa lahat ng kwarto. Napaka-spacious, well-ventilate at elegant ang interior, perfect para sa modern city living. At ang layout, designed for functionality and style, kaya sulit ang bawat kanto. Ito naman yung isang nilang CR dito sa baba, sa ground floor. At kinagandahan pa doon, we have 1 bedroom here in ground floor. Tara, pasukan natin. Gaano ka pa ka-excited na dito pa lang sa ground floor sulit na, 'di ba? Napaka-spacious na. Tara, silipin natin ang second floor. Hi! Ito naman yung second floor nila. We have 3 bedroom here and 1 toilet and bath. Tara, pasukin natin yung isang unit for children room. Second room. And lastly, the master's bedroom. Here at the master's bedroom, you have your own toilet and bath. Ito ang isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa Melcon model. Meron kayong access papunta sa garden nyo. It's so very spacious here. Yan. Ito naman yung pwede nyong pag-expandan ng inyong kitchen. Kasama na yung mga landscape na to sa to-turn over sa inyo. Yun yung advantage. And there you have, dito yung exit ng inyong mini garden. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, 50,000 reservation lang ito ngayon. Pwede mo ako i-message for more details. Bye-bye!